Craving crispy fries or golden brown snacks? Meet the iBELL DF610M electric deep fryer, a powerful and stylish addition to your kitchen that guarantees perfect frying every time. Did you know that with a 6-liter capacity and 2,500 watts of power, this deep fryer can handle everything from small family meals to party-sized portions? Let's see how it works. In this video, we'll explore the iBELL DF610M electric deep fryer, showcasing its top features and how it can elevate your frying game. The challenge. Achieving restaurant-quality fried food at home can be tricky without the right equipment. That's where this fryer steps in. Key features: 6-liter capacity, ideal for families and gatherings, allowing you to fry larger quantities in one go. 2,500 watt power. Heats oil quickly, ensuring consistent frying results. Variable temperature control. Lets you adjust the heat to suit different recipes, from delicate tempura to hearty fried chicken. Stainless steel design, durable, easy to clean, and adds a sleek touch to your kitchen. Safety first, equipped with overheat protection for worry-free frying. Whether you're hosting a party or just craving a quick snack, the iBELL DF610M makes frying fast, safe, and delicious. What's your favorite fried food? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews and cooking tips.